Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all safe. So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is political science second lesson, public administration. And my today's topic is Union Public Service Commission. So first I am going to give the introduction of the Union Public Service Commission. So only capable people should be selected for the civil service, and the political influence and nepotism should not influence the selection process. It should uphold the respect and dignity of the civil service. The Constitution provides for the formation of independent public service commission in order to select the requisite, capable and honest uh, ci- uh, honest civil servants. So here what we are seeing in the introduction about the Union Public Service Commission, that is, there shouldn't be any kind of an influence or an interference or an corruption of the politicians. And the formation, the public service formation selecting process, it should be independently and select the honest, capable and eligible people to the public service commission, to the civil service. And now I'm going to say about the explain about the structure. According to the article 315 of the Constitution, there should be a separate public service commission for center and the state, or two or three states can have a joint public service commission. That means they can merge, two or three states can merge, and the selection process, for the selection process of the capable, eligible, intelligent, creative persons, they can select for the public service commission. And here the president appoints the chairman and the members of the central and the joint public service commission. And the trencher of the members, the chairman and the members of this public service commission, their trencher means their work for 6 years, or else they attain the age of the 65 years, whichever early they can take the voluntary retirement, or and and the president will have the power of dismiss any member or a chairman on the ground of the misconduct. So what we are seeing here, the president is having the power and authority to appoint the chairman and the members of the public service commission, and he is having the authority and power to dismiss any member on the grounds of the misconduct. So these are the introduction and the structure of the Public Service Commission. Now I am going to give the explanation about the functions. Do you all know what do you mean by functions? Functions are the duties. Functions are the responsibilities of the Public Service Commissions. The president has appointed the chairman and the members of the Public Service Commission. What are their duties? What are their responsibility towards the Public Service Commission while selecting the capable, eligible and honest peoples to the civil service? So here are the functions. One by one I am going to explain you. The commission functions under the article 320 of the Constitution, and the following are the functions. The following are the duties of the chairman and the members of the Public Service Commission. Conducting exams for the recruitment of Group A and B officers of the central government. So what is the first duty of the Public Service Commission is that they have to conduct the exams of Group A and B, and recruitment is nothing but appointing the eligible honest persons to the civil service. That is the first one. And conducting interviews for the direct recruitment. So already in the recruitment I have explained you all what do you mean by direct recruitment. Direct recruitment is the method of conducting the competitive exams. It is a scientific process of conducting the competitive exams for the civil service. So here after conducting the exams and all, so what they will do, they will conduct the interviews of the direct recruitment, direct appointment. Next, adjusting the central government on adjusting the central government on services to promotion and transfer. Means what? Advice, sorry, not adjusting, it is advising the central government on issues related to the promotions and the transfer. So already the one who are in the service, for the people to give the promotions and to transfer from one place to another place, this chairman and the members, what they will do, they will give advice to the central government. Who are the central government? To the president. And next one, that is an advising government on initiations of disciplinary actions against the erring government employees. So here what we are seeing, that these chairman and members, they have to give the intimations on of the employees, of the civil service employees, with regard to the discipline, how, what kind of behavior, discipline, their disciplinary actions and all, whether they are well mannered or disciplined, whether they are doing their work properly or no, and any kind of mistakes they are doing or no. So these are all things what they have to do. The chairmen and the members, they have to give give the advice to the central government. And the next one, that is on the direction of the president, advising the government any needed issue. So these chairmen and the members, what is their duty is to advise to the president any problems, needed issues, and any problems are there. And the commission conducts the exam for the civil service, civil services, like technical service, forest service, defense services, at the national level exams and all. So they'll conduct the exams, they'll give directions to the president and all. And these are the on the technical services and all, forest services and all, and the defense services. Technical services like engineers, architectures, computer engineers, that will come under the technical. Forest department officers and all, defense, army, navy, and the air force, defense, that services will come under the national level to conduct the exams. So not only that, and also other exams they'll conduct, that is an ASI, IPS, and AFS, that is an, and IRS, and ASS, IAAS. So these are they are the exams conducted at the three levels, that is a preliminary examination, main examination, and the personality test. So these are the duties of the chairman and the members of the Public Service Commission. So first, what I have given the introduction of the Union Public Service Commission. That is, there shouldn't be any kind of interference or influence or corruption of the politicians while appointing the capable, eligible persons to the Public Service Commission. And next, according to the Article 315, we have seen that the Public Service Commission members and chairmen are appointed by the president, and he is having the authority and he is having the power to appoint them as well as to dismiss them on the grounds of the misconduct or a misrule or a misbehavior. And the members trencher their work, they can work till their for 6 years, or else attain the age of 65 years, or else earlier, or else on the basis of the misconduct or misbehavior, the president himself only, what he will do, he will dismiss the chairman and the members. So what we are seeing here, the president having the authority to appoint them as well as to remove them. And the functions, what we are seeing, the Public Service Commission conducts the exam of Group A and Group B, and they'll conduct the interview of conducting the interview of the direct recruitment, and advising the central government on issues related to the promotion and the transfer, advising the government on the intimation of the disciplinary actions against the erring government employees. So the government employees, they will, if there is any misbehavior or they are not in a disciplined manner and all, so what they will do, the chairman and the members, they will intimate to the higher authorities and all. And on the direction of the president, advising the government on any needed issues and all. And the commission conduct the exams for the civil service, technical service, forest service, and the defense services. Rather than that, more IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS, and IAAS. So these are the exams conducted. 3-level exams will be there. That is an preliminary examination, main examination, and the personality test. So this is about the Union Public Service Commission, children. So tomorrow again I am going to continue with the same lesson. I hope you are understanding my explanations. Thank you, students.